The Toter Round Can. Toter's round cans are designed to withstand heavy and continuous use both indoors and out, and provide the perfect solution for industrial, construction, food service, healthcare, and institutional environments. Manufactured via Toter's rotational molding process, these highly durable cans are available in 20, 32, 44, and 55-gallon sizes, and in a variety of colors. This allows the Toter Round Can to adapt to a customer's needs and applications. The round can boasts a unique feature, an integrated third handle that enables easier lifting of the can and emptying of its contents. No other can on the market is ergonomically designed in this manner. Other features include integrated handles, a bag cinch to help keep the bag in place, venting channels to allow for effortless bag removal, drag strips that increase durability. Toter round cans have a number of advantages over competitors' containers. Because of our rotational molding process, our round cans have superior durability to that of plastic injection molded cans. This makes the Toter Round Can the toughest round can in the market. The integrated third handle lends itself to a more ergonomic position when picking up and emptying the can.